Guys, we're gonna do this fun question of vectors. An aircraft heads in a direction at an angle theta east of north with a velocity, with a horizontal velocity, this is east, horizontal velocity relative to the air of 800 km per hour. Wind blows with horizontal velocity of 200 km per hour from east to west. Okay, what is angle theta and what is the magnitude of the resultant velocity? Good. This is a good question. Now, what does velocity related to air mean? It means velocity related to its direction in the air. So it's gonna be this, right? It's gonna be this. Then, what is the wind force? It's like this, 200 kilometer per hour, and this is 800 kilometer per hour. So our resultant is gonna be something like this, right? This is gonna be our resultant. This, so as you can see, our resultant is at 90 degrees to the wind velocity, right? And this is the theta between the resultant. Sorry, this is the theta between north and east, northeast. But then, why are we taking the same theta here? Is because if this direction is east and the wind is blowing from east to west, this direction is ought to be north. And the only direction perpendicular to the line made by east and west is north in the front and south in the back. So as this direction is north, this is going to be our theta. So using now, we have perpendicular and we have height, we can use sine theta. So it's sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Theta is equal to sine inverse of 200 by 800. 14.4 degrees. Degrees is 14.4. And what is the resultant velocity? We have the Pythagorean theorem. So if this is x square plus 200 square is gonna be 800 square. So x is equal to root under 64,000. 640,000 minus, so it's gonna be 640,000 640,000 minus 200 square, which is roughly 40,000. Gonna be root under 600,000. That's gonna be somewhere around 774 kilometer per hour, which is roughly amounts to 770. So our answer here is gonna be A. So what we basically did was we made a vector triangle. We found out that the resultant is in direction north, so the angle can be easily found, and we got the magnitude, and we just chose the correct option. Thank you for watching.